Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I've already made progress, like behind the scenes, I guess if you would say. I took the injectors out of the car and I took them to go get cleaned. Comes to find out, they didn't even need to be cleaned. These are the injectors that are in the RSX. They are 1000cc DECA injectors. So long story short, I took them to get cleaned and they didn't need to be cleaned. I didn't record it. I forgot to record because I just kind of walked in. Shout out to Next Era Auto Works. Those guys are the truth. They got some sick cars in there. But yeah, I went to them. They say, yo, your injectors are fine. They all flow perfectly well. I'm like, oh wow, okay. So if you saw the last video, I was trying to go into VTEC, but the check engine light keeps coming on for low voltage. I don't know if it's the alternator, or I don't know if the battery needs to be relocated back to the engine bay. Because when you relocate the battery to like the trunk or somewhere inside the car, you gotta run a thicker gauge wire, and they didn't do that. So that's what I am hoping to accomplish in this damn video. But welcome back. Shout out to the 300 new subscribers that I also have, and shout out to all the overwhelming amount of love I've been getting on my videos. Like, that really makes me happy. And we're finally monetized. So I don't know what this means for the channel, but yeah, I can start making a little coin off of these videos.
Is it going in?
Huh?
Huh?
I was applying the fuel pump, giving it fuel pressure.
What happened? What happened?
We have a leaking injector.
So turn it off.
We're at the car, but now the alarm doesn't want to go off. And here's my terrible work. Thank you. That was a money shot right there. Well, look at that TL right there. You see that TL?
Oh, come in the video, my nigga. Catch that rolling.
That's nice. I see you.
Fuck out of here, my nigga.
You better stop before you pull up and beat you up.
I got y'all with me, gang.
First time you see an RSX, what'd you think?
I saw it at night. I didn't see shit.
What do you think? You approve?
That shit needs a wire harness.
Huh?
That shit needs a wire harness.
I already know. What about you, Curly? What'd you think?
All right, so I think this car has potential, right? There's a lot of things that was done wrong that we're about to correct. You know what I'm saying? And fuck you to the guy who had the car. Big fuck you, my nigga. Like, on everything, gang. You get what I'm saying? But we're about to get this car right. And we're about to do it right this time. As you can see, we're about to go bust down. We're going to the store right now. And then, you know. Let's go.
So, yeah. I just want to see if this car is able to do a pull today. Because last video, I promised y'all I was going to do a pull. Right, Athena? You want to do a pull? Crack VTEC? Oh my god, damn, John. You're damn clean, bro. Alright. I was going to pop it out.
You break it, you buy it. You break it, you buy it.
I'm already bought this damn thing.
You about to buy it again? I'm just letting you know, nigga, you break it, you buy it. Alright, there we go. Look, check if any of the rings are bad.
They all look good. You take one injector out one by one. son Indio build.
My brother Indio.
This is what we're about to improvise with. Where's that old ass stud at? In here?
In here. It's right here.
I'm like going in your pockets. Oh, yeah. Like this. Like, bro, when you put it in, pause, no diddy. It's like it doesn't really correctly hold the rail into the manifold like that. But I figured.
No, not that one.
I know. I figured maybe a bolt like this, a longer one, and a washer, that should work. That's the same thing, so that should work much better. I don't get why we gotta do little minor BS on the behalf of someone else's incompetence, but it is what it is. Let's go back to this stupid car. My boy Curly right here, tightening it.
Pause.
No diddy.
Hey, yo.
Because I couldn't get to it, but he could. That sounds crazy.
Right, something, you know? Trying to make something work. Yeah? This shit is not working out, bro.
Yeah, we need like a 13 socket.
Bro, who the fuck uses a 13 on a Honda, bro?
I don't know. I mean, certain things you need.
No, nigga. There's no fucking 13 on a Honda.
Bro, there's 17s, 19s, 21s. What you talking about?
Yeah, but there's no 13. Notice you just said all those numbers except 13? You know why?
I mean, bro.
Because there's no fucking 13.
I improvised. All right, guys, look. You see that?
This is a 13 on a K-Series, bro. Have you ever heard about that? All my K-Series guys out there, comment down below. Where on a K-Series?
I mean, bro, I don't have the correct stud because the idiot that freaking sold me this lemon bucket did some ghetto shit up here.
Now I'm over here using a 14.
So, yeah. This is the best we could do.
Trying to
But at least I put a washer in. Like, I ain't, you know, this is terrible, but that's much better than what he had, you know? You just needed longer nuts. No diddy.
Yo, where's the,
What?
the bird beak pliers?
Huh?
The bird beak.
All right, guys. Damn, thank you for your extra light. But, yeah, we put the injectors in. We tightened it as best as we possibly can. Like, I'm moving
Why you keep moving
the whole
it, though?
car. Wait, I just pulled it out, actually.
Yeah, you actually just did, so.
God damn it. Listen, this thing is tight, bro.
I already believe it.
That's
bro.
what she said.
I feel like I have retards work. I'm sorry. I meant to say. Never mind.
All right, guys. As you can see, I changed that because I did not like the little, like, it barely fit from the last stud that he put into the car or had the rail holding on. But I put a bigger bolt with a washer on both sides. So hopefully that should work, honestly. I should not. If I'm still leaking fuel, then something ain't right. This is hindering us from doing a pull.
Well, if you blow it up, then.
If I blow it up, then we're gonna do another motor.
It
And
better be the same color.
obviously the valve cover comes right off.
Where's Jonathina?
Jonathina, I don't know, he's taking long. I don't know if he's burping the worm or not, but if you know, you know.